It's another video for my styrene addict friends out there. I skating in Denver asked a question on how to lift vehicles, and I just want to make a quick video on how I did it with this 39 Chevy, my zombie apocalypse vehicle. Basically what I did is I started with a Bigfoot monster truck. It's by AMT. I started with this 1/25th scale, and I want to show. I figured this would be the easiest way to show you guys with the instructions. It's basically what I did is I went ahead and I cut all this whole top from here. I did not use, and then I cut it here, for both sides. They come into two sides, both left and right side. I did it to both sides. So what I started with, and as you can see on here, I'll take this apart. What I started with I had to set down really quick to make it easier to work with. And basically formed it to the bottom of the chassis. Did whatever cutting, shaping I had to do to make it fit underneath there. And then what I did is from this bottom, this piece that I cut off the bottom, is I shortened it here and here and mounted that for right there. Somewhere's for your skid plate that your transfer case skid plate could mount to. And I gotta flip it to show you the rest of the stuff I had to do here. And then for the trailing arms, I cut them down here and shortened them. I cut all this out of there. Same with these. Or actually no. Yes. The rear trailing arms are in there. The front ones are not. And then the transfer case too, because everything got shortened, I had to... Oops, my pencil's about to break here. I had to shorten it just a tad bit for the transfer case too. And the axle too, the front axle, I had to shorten just a little bit. I used the front axle and the rear axle, but or differential, I mean, that's the differential is what I had to shorten. Here's a better picture actually of the transfer case, because this is actually what I did, is I cut each piece one at a time. And the shocks too, because depending on how high you want the vehicle to sit or how low you want it to go, I actually cut it all the way right down there, so this whole part is gone. But like I said, depending on how high you want to go, you could actually adjust it to however high or however low you want to go. But that's actually how I did it. I hope this video helps you guys out there for whoever might want to lift their vehicle or jack it up. Give some ground clearance, as I would say. Well, anyways, this is 83 Slim J signing off.